Hello everyone. Welcome to the video presentation of our group project. My name is Zarifah Farabi Kurniawan.
My name is Lando Akmal Muhammad.
My name is Evandro Rashavadila.
And today we'll be explaining our group project presentation relating to software engineering. As our group is Cats for Code because we like cats, which is the homestay management application system. Let's get started.
All right. The problem first is the background. Manual booking in homestay become inefficient as demand increases, causing error like double booking and such. A centralized digital system is needed to improve organization and workflow. And next we have the problem statement, which is the current system lead to a booking conflict and loss of information and delays. This cause big problem for the booking homestay system, which is why the lack of integration with online platform make management inefficient. And then next we have the project overview. The aim for the project is to develop a centralized system to manage booking, payment, and customer data. That will support online integration and easy monitoring, tracking user data, and allowing more data to be processed for future usage. The scope for it is system focuses on booking, payment, and room tracking for small homestay. Advanced feature will not be used here because we aim for more simple, reliable, and practical way. Next, we have the literature review, competitor and such. The literature review is the study show digital system improve efficiency and accuracy. Simple web-based solutions are ideal for small business. Our competitor right now is using systems that are way more powerful and complex and more expensive. For a small homestay, a simpler custom solution is more suitable. Next is the system. The system used is system that include the reservation, payment, room availability, and admin monitoring module that ensures smooth and organized operation with tracked data. Next, we have the risk and outcome. The risks include downtime, security issue, and user adaptability challenges. This can be reduced with proper planning and training. And the outcome is the system improve efficiency, reduce error, and provide real-time booking data. It enhance overall service quality. Next.
Now, for the tools and resources, the technology that's going to be used for the front end is going to be React and Tailwind CSS, while the back end is going to be Node.js and Express. And for the database, it's going to be using PostgreSQL. Now, for the development and collaboration tools, it's going to be Visual Code, VS Code, and then GitHub for version control, Postman for API testing, Discord for team communication, Google Drive for meeting notes and shared files, and Nexus is the infrastructure. A server computer is going to be used for hosting application and database. NIS is going to be used for nightly database backups, and internet connection and router is going to be used for remote administration. Now, for the project management itself, since the project focus on developing a centralized homestay management and in-person cashier booking system to replace the manual booking process with a web-based solution, the system is designed to improve the booking efficiency, reduce room allocation conflicts, and support both walk-in and online reservations and provide real-time monitoring. So the objective here is to build a user-friendly cashier interface for guest registration, room allocation, and payment handling, and then creating a centralized real-time database for guest booking and transaction data, able to integrate with Booking.com API to unify the online and walk-in bookings, and then providing a real-time room availability to prevent double booking, and lastly, enable mobile accessibility for operational flexibility. Now, for the work breakdown structure and schedule, the project phase is gonna be in 6 phases. The project planning, this like gathering things, design it, planning, initial documentation, system designs, the implementation, the integration, testing and quality assurance, and lastly the deployment and training. Now, for the project schedule, it's gonna be from 1 to 10 week. There's like planning and design for first and second week, development for third and fifth week, integration for 6 to 7 week, testing from 8 to 9 week, and lastly on the 10 week, it's gonna be the deployment. Now, for the risk management, it will be done via a risk table at the right side. As you can see here, there's like the risk, the description of it, and then the likelihood, the impact of it, and our solution for it. Now, it's for the UML diagram.
Okay, lastly we have the UML diagram. Okay, the first one is the center, is the whole UML diagram which connects everything. So we have the presentation layer, which is the front end stuff, which is mobile browser, the cashier UI, application layer, which is the server for connecting all of those things. And at the end we have data layer, which is the Postgre database. And also we have an external services, which is the booking.com API, and that's like a extra thing that we might do or not. On the left side here, you can see the database UML. It's mostly pretty simple. It's just how everything connects to each other. The right side is the right side. We have the storage UML, which is basically part of the database itself, also like the NAS server, something like that. And then next we have cashier UML. This is the managed cashier system, which is what it looks like. You have check room availability and stuff like that. And then lastly we have the server YAML, which is this one right here. And then yeah, that's it. Thank you all from us. Bye bye.